Now we are going to discuss about the sixth problem. Find all real numbers satisfying 4x minus 3 into 2 power x plus 2 plus 2 power 5 is equal to 0. So 4x I am writing as it is, 3 minus 3, this 2x power 2x plus 2 can be written as 2 power x into 2 power 2 according to the exponent rule. So we can write this as 2 square plus 2 power 5. Here this is 4 power x minus 3 into 2 power x. This 2 square I can write as 4. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 power 5 is equal to 0. 4 power x minus 3 4s are 12 into 2 power x plus 2 power 5 is equal to 0. Here this 4 power x can be written as 2 power x whole square minus 12 into 2 power x plus this 2 power 5 I can write as 32, that will be equal to 0. So this is a equation, quadratic equation in terms of 2 power x. So I can take t is equal to 2 power x. Then the first equation will become t square minus 12t plus 32 is equal to 0. So if I factorize for t, I can get t minus 8 into t minus 4 is equal to 0. So t value will be 8 and t value will be 4. So this one I can take as second equation and this one I can take as third equation. Once if you get the t value, then you want to replace t by 2 power x. So now from equation 2, t is equal to 8. So this is the second equation. So I am going to replace t by 2 power x. So 2 power x is equal to 8. 2 power x is equal to 8 can be written as 2 cube. So what is the value of x you have? X is equal to 3. Then from equation 3, t is equal to 4. Then I can replace t by 2 power x, that will be equal to 4. Then 2 power x is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square. But here 2 square I can write as plus or minus 2 whole square, because I want to find out all the real values which is satisfying x, so that I cannot take x is equal to simply 2. So plus or minus 2 whole square is also 4, right? Plus or minus 2 whole square is also 4. Suppose if we have minus 2 whole square means that answer also 4. If we have plus 2 whole square means that answer also 4. So 2 power x is equal to 4 means 2 power x is equal to plus or minus 2 whole square. So x can take values plus or minus 2. Therefore, the required answer is x is equal to 3, x is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, the solutions x is equal to 3 comma x is equal to plus or minus 2. Then seventh problem, solve the equation 6x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 38x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. If it is known as 1 by 3 is a solution. 1 by 3 is a solution. This problem we can solve using the reciprocal equation of type 1. That is, just you can observe, this is 6 and here also 6. That is the first term and last term is 6 and then second term and this second term is also minus 5. So I can take x square outside and we can do it like like this problem. Fifth problem, reciprocal equation of type 1. So this fifth problem, we can do it as fifth problem, but I am doing in different method because this method also you should learn, that's why. Okay, so the seventh problem we can do as fifth in this exercise. So now it is known as 1 by 3 is a solution. Because of this 1 by 3 is a solution they are given, I am going to approach in different method. Okay, so since it is a reciprocal equation, if 1 by 3 is a solution means 3 by 1 will be another solution, right? Therefore the sum of the roots is equal to first root plus second root, that is 3 plus 1 by 3, that is we can take 3 as LCM. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 by 3, that is 10 by 3. Then the product of the roots is equal to 3 into 1 by 3. 3 3 can be cancelled. Then the answer is 1. Therefore the equation will be of the form of x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the root is equal to 0. X square minus sum of the root is equal to 10 by 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. I can take 3 as LCM. So this 3 will goes to multiplication here. 3x square minus 10x plus 3 divided by 0. This is equal to 0. This 3 I can take to this side. This will goes to 0. 3x square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this equation, this quadratic equation will definitely divide this fourth degree equation, because this quadratic equation I am forming with the factors of that fourth degree equation. This quadratic equation I have formed with the factors of that fourth degree equation. So this quadratic equation will definitely divide that fourth degree equation. So I can divide. So division, polynomial division you learnt in your earlier classes. 6x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 38x square minus 5x plus 6. So first you want to take the first term and you should divide by the first term. 6x power 4 divided by 3x square. So 6x power 4 divided by 3x square is equal to 6 can be cancelled by 3 by 2 times, and x power 4 is in the numerator, x square is in the denominator, so we can cancel by 2 times, so 2x square. So this 2x square you want to write here. Then after writing 2x square, you want to just multiply 2x square with this 3 term. This 3 term should be multiplied by this 2x square. So 3 2s are 6, x power 4, 10 2s are 20 minus 20x cube, 3 2s are 6 x square. Then you want to change the sign and you should add. If you change the sign and add means this first term will be cancelled, this will be plus and this will be minus. This is minus 5, this is plus 20. So 15x cube. This is minus 38, this is minus 6. So both the sign are same and we are adding and putting the same sign. Minus 44x square. This minus 5x term I am bringing down. And then again you want to divide the first term, that is my 15x cube, with this 3x square. 15x cube by 3x square. So 15 can be divided by 3 by 5 times. So x cube in the numerator, x square in the denominator. So x, 5x. So this 5x I want to write here. So I want to multiply this polynomial with this 5x. So 3 5s are 15 x cube 10 5s are 50x square, 3 2s are sorry, 5 3s are 15x. And again I want to change the sign and I should add. If I add means this term will be cancelled. The remaining thing will be, this is minus 44x square, this is minus 50x square. So 6x square. This is minus 5x minus 15x. So minus 20x. This 6 I am going to bring down. So again, you want to divide the first term with this first term. That is 6x square by 3x square. So 2 times this can be cancelled. X square and x square can be cancelled. So 2 is the quotient. So just I want to write the 2 here. And again, as usual, I want to multiply this 2 with this polynomial. This polynomial should be multiplied by this 2. So 3 2s are 6x square, 10 2s are 20x plus 6. So again sign changing and adding means all the terms can be cancelled. I told that polynomial should exactly divide the 4th degree polynomial. So the remainder is 0. The quotient is 2x square plus 5x plus 2. So now I got a quadratic equation. So I can solve the quadratic equation either by the factorization or formula method. Now we can factorize to get the other solution. So 2x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 2s are 4. 4 can be factorized by 4 1s are 4. 5. You want to divide by the coefficient 2. 4 by 2 is 2 and 1 by 2 I have written. So x plus 2, x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Therefore the solutions are 3 comma 1 by 3 minus 2 comma minus 1 by 2. These are the 4 solutions of that given equation, 4th degree equation.